Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be working on this Vauxhall. So I'm doing this video because like the timing chain wasn't good, so I did a timing chain replacement, and I will show you the symptoms of the previous timing chain. But this one is the new one because I've already put it on, and these were the previous symptoms. Like if you see here, like the previous timing chain was touching the cylinder block, but I still have to like sand this down. And this bracket also for the previous timing chain was broken, so this one is the new one, and pretty much it. I also have to like remove the sump from under, so I have to like clean everything back, couple everything back. And also why I have to like strip this engine like this was like so the clutch and flywheel was bad, the timing chain as well was bad, and the AGF valve as well was bad. So the easiest way for me to carry out this job was to like drop the engine, then strip the engine down, then fix everything in properly. And also, if you want to know how to set the timing chain for any of these Vauxhall engine, the new ones, you can see here like the two dots here. This one goes to the middle, and if you see this one here, this one align with this one, and you can see this last one, this one align with this one. This is how to set timing chain for this engine and the new shape. And I'll take you through how I couple this, clean it, seal it up, and it's very interesting and very total. Right? Even all this bit, like you have to like put silicone here so it doesn't leak. You can see this one, have to put silicone here. Also with the rockers, all things, and also this also how to set timing chain because your rod has to go in here. These are points you should look at for the timing chain, like when set the timing chain for this engine. For the camshaft, one, this one the hose need to go through, this one needs to align with this one, this one needs to align with this one, and this one needs to align with this one. And just clean it up, mount it, and easy. So the sump is all cleaned up. Yeah, I have to pull it back, and this is sump plate. It's gonna go beneath. It's gonna go beneath this engine, and this is seal. This is seal for here. So you see, it's gonna go in. Pretty more genuine parts, accessories. So I just have to like clean it properly. Then I have to sand this down. I'll use my file tool to sand it down. So I'm sanding it down, and this is the tool I'm using. A little bit fire just to put it here, then sand it. Yeah, it's pretty much sanded down, just a little bit to make it clean. And yeah, you can see like coupling. So next I have to clean the pan to couple it back to cover the timing chain. So I have to like move the seal for here, which these are the seals. I'll show you the seal quickly. These are the seals, and also I have to like move the silicone, sand it down. All this silicone, sand it. Same with this other side, sand it down, and let's see how it goes. And this is a crank gearbox seal.